So here we are, part 3 of my build of Revell's 1 to 144th Apollo Saturn V, and I'm doing it in the Apollo 11. So since last time, been putting a lot of white paint over a lot of black primer, been using the MRP paint mainly for this, but so much using, I ended up using some Tamiya white with some IPA for thinners. That was going well, pleased with how it was going, until I discovered that actually the instructions are wrong. When I was comparing my masking for the black against actual ones, you can see that the black's going to be different. It's got a stripe going around on the instructions, and that stripe going around are those longer bits on the bottom stage of black aren't there, so had to remask, give it a bit more painting, so took some of the mask off. Unfortunately, once I'd got the black on, which did actually go down really well, that was also MRP black, I then found out that my modelling in of the white wasn't so well, so I had to mask off the black and then put more white down, a lot of white paint going down, and then realised that such things as the masking for the lunar module as well wasn't correct. Got the engines done, lunar excursion module as well, all of those bits and pieces all starting to come together. So got the decals on, and essentially now pretty much finished for the main build. The next part of it is to do a stand. I don't want to use the stand that comes with the kit. It's quite tacky. I want to make it look like it's riding up on a rocket, on the flames, on the smoke. So that's going to be the plan. Hopefully that will be the next video, and then I can finally call this one done.